All right. Good night to everybody. All right. Now, let me go into this thing that I've been going through, this argument with people. All right. So let's do this. Let's bring this up because this is real. This is real things. And people been going at me for the longest with this, right? Okay, so let me add this to the stream. All right, so I don't know if y'all can see. So you see the Ryker springs on this Ryker? You see the springs? And the springs are at the top part, right? As everybody seeing that? Is everybody seeing that? Let me take off this banner. Let me take this off real quick. Okay, so everybody sees these springs, right? And they're at the top part, right? This is what I'm talking about. Right? These are Ryker springs. And they are on the top part, right? Okay, so now let me get out of this. Let me get out of this. And let's see, and bring this one up. These springs are on the bottom, right? So, sorry, I can't really make it bigger because these are screenshots. I should have prepared better for this controversy, but I'll do something different about it later. Okay, but in this one, you could clearly see that the springs are pointing down. They're in the lower end at the lower control arm. Where in the other one, they are. Let me see if I can make this bigger. Can I crop it? No, I can't. Can't really make it bigger right now. Can I? Can I crop it? Oh, here we go. Here we go. It's a lot bigger now. Okay. So here, if you look at these springs, let's see if I can make it bigger. Can I make it bigger? All right. So look at these springs and they're pointing it down. The springs are pointed down, right? Now, let me bring the other one back. And where is it? Is this it? Oh, these springs are pointed down. And these springs are, let me make it bigger. And these springs are up. So the orange is the rally. So now here's the controversy, right? People are saying that they all should be up. And this is the controversy, right? Now, some people are saying that they have installed and seen the Ryker 600 and the 900 with the springs down, like the rally. So you guys tell me, what is the proper way to have these springs installed? Because now, if you go to BRP, and let's blow this up here, and let's make this a little bigger. In the BRP website, it has the springs pointed upwards in their installation guide. So I want to get an opinion from Ryker owners. Which one is right? You guys tell me. Okay. Interesting. LA Ryker, interesting. But the rally, that's the rally schematics. Nope, that's not the rally schematics, Wilfredo. I got that one from mine. That is actually a 2019 Ryker 600 schematics. I actually went into the parts store and specifically typed in my part to replace, and this is how they have it. right? So if they have it up, why are some people saying that? Let me bring it up again. Let me add it to the stream. If they have it up in the picture, why are some people saying that it should be down like the rally? Right? That's my point. And I would like to hear from you guys. What do you think? Should the springs be down or should they be up? 2021 Ryker. John D says here's a up on the 2021 Ryker. Right? Wilfredo says the rally sits high. Yes, the rally sits an inch higher than, but the rally springs are adjustable. Correct? So the question is now, but the question is, which one is right? Because people are saying what the controversy is that people are saying that the shock should all be down because they're down in the rally. This is where I'm saying the controversy is. Right? So where is it? Where are we at with this? Right? Where are we at with this? These are down, right? Right? So don't know. I just ride my 900. I'm going to get in trouble riding either way. Absolutely. Absolutely. Hey, listen, I'm just trying to figure out the controversy because, like I said, this is what I've been going back and forth with people all day, which is right and which is wrong. And that's what I'm trying to figure out. Now, here's one thing. Dealership installed the wrong way. That's a possibility. Big Papa says you could be right. I've heard that some people have came out with their shocks down, some up. Here we got L.A. Ryker, Steve May. Elka Fox M2 recommended spring down for installation. Okay. I think the rally is right. So the rally you say is down and the 600 and the 900 is up. Is that what people are saying? If that's the case, then we just solved the mystery. If we solve the mystery, then that's what it is. But like I said, someone has been going back and forth with me because they have a Ryker. They just purchased the Ryker and they showed me the picture and he asked me why his springs down. Then I said, well, I don't know. My springs are up. And he was like, well, which one is right? And he just purchased his Ryker. So I said, well, I think up is right. He says, no, I think down is right. So we went back and forth, and that's why I decided to go to the website. And when I look at the website, they do not on any level show the spring upside down in the schematics. So how do we fix the controversy, right? How do we fix the controversy of what's going on? BR Brown, thank you for checking in on IG. Appreciate it. We are on the YouTube live. We in the second part of the show right now talking about the shock controversy. Should your shock springs be up or down? If you want to join in this, shoot on over to the YouTube live and we'll discuss it because, we're still going back and forth on the which is right and which is wrong. So here we go. Shocks up, springs up. Okay. So this is what we got here. I think the rally is right. Okay. William says rally is down, ace is up. Okay. My 2020 rally springs down. Okay. Ryker rally 900s, mine's are down. Okay, so your Riker rally is down. That's what I'm getting. Okay. Regular Rikers seeing spring up. Okay. Uh my springs are up on the 900. Okay, so I guess what we come to the consensus of is that the dealer must have made putting them on upside down, because if you have anything outside of the 900 rally, your springs should be down. So if you come out with a 600 and 900 and your springs are down, that means your springs were installed improperly at the dealership, right? That's where we're at. So the person who contacted me, who was saying, "Oh, he was right, I was wrong," vice versa. This is the consensus, and I wanted to get a consensus from Ryker owners. So Marty T, Riker's being failing the mechanics, not experts, and yet I feel that the shock should be up. If they're down, then it's an issue with the assembler. This seems to be, Marty T, the consensus we're getting right now. Correct, Williamsville, after looking at the internet pics. Even 2021s are up, Wilfredo says. Okay. So Heather, Little Goat, and Lilani, thank you for checking in. I appreciate it. Thank you for checking in to the YouTube. I appreciate it. We're doing this spring controversy. So, it seems to be coming to the consensus that if you have a rally, your springs should be down. If you have let me bring this up. This is from the official BRP website. If you have a rally, your spring should be facing downward. If you have a 600 and 900, you should be up. If it's in any other configuration, then you must contact your dealership, because this seems to be okay, we have another comment. I digress. My Elkas and my RFR shock 609 up full length at the end of the shock. I don't know. That means they're down? Okay, and we have another one. But remember, rally's off-road, so it needs that support. And when you say the schematic for the Ace and Rally are the same. I live on Pardzilla. Okay. All right. So are we any closer to solving this controversy is my thing, right? Are we any closer? Do we need to have our springs? Let's bring it up again. Okay, let's bring it up again. All right. So here we go. Springs up. Right. Springs up, or how are we going to do this? And blah, blah, blah. Let's see this one. Springs up or springs down, right? So we came to the consensus that this is going to be how it's going to be. If you have a rally, your springs have to be down. If you have anything but the rally, your springs should be up. If there's a problem, you need to contact your dealer. And this is coming from Ryker riders. So this is from people who ride Rikers, who work on their Rikers, to let them know this is how you should be. And yes, that's how our rally is, Heather. Big Papa, that'll be all right. Peeps, have a great night. Thank you, Big Papa. Thank you for checking in. Miriam says, hey guys, up or down, if you're comfortable with it, it's good for me. Okay. Well, some people say it doesn't matter. Some people say it's due. Like I said, I just wanted to clear up the controversy on Ryker Springs, up or down, you know. And William made a good point. It's like the other controversy. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Yeah, well, it's still in question, and I guess we'll be questioning it for a long time. But like I said, who else said? Miriam said it best. Up or down, it's good for me. So basically, that's where we're at. If you feel comfortable with your bike with them down, then they're down. If you feel comfortable with them up, then they're up, which is a wonderful thing. But all in all, whether they're up or whether they're down, whether they're up or whether they're down, I have high performance Can-Am Ryker springs for sale in the link below. These high-end springs will definitely change your ride. I have got them from Germany. They're the same German engineers who engineered the split shocks for the BMW. These things are awesome. If you're interested, I have a video out on how to install them, how to ride them. I also have them for sale. So please, if you guys are interested, check it out. I got a few of them came in. I'm supposed to try them out, sell them, to see if it'll work out in the U.S. You let me know. If not, thanks for watching. Thanks for trying out. Thanks everybody for coming in the chat. I appreciate that. Appreciate all the love, all the support, you guys checking in. It was awesome. Awesome. Let me throw out something else I got going on here. I also have this. It's a logbook for three-wheel owners. I created a logbook for you guys. I know a lot of guys like to do work on their bikes, and this was just something I created so that you can have a place to keep a log of all the stuff that you do to your bike, So this is what it was. I put it together. It's a small book. It's small enough to keep in your bike. You can keep your information. You can keep your miles, your mods, and your modifications. Miles, mods, and maintenance. So when you work on your bike, change the oil, change this, whatever you do to the bike. You added money to it, you can put it in here. This is just a place for you to keep a logbook. It's also being sold on the link below. Help me support my channel by doing this. Listen, everybody, listen, appreciate you guys for checking in tonight. I had a great show. It was wonderful. Thanks for clearing up the controversy. Thanks for you guys are interested in the Ryker giveaway. I'll see you on the next one. I'll be dropping some videos, more podcasts, more information, more stuff for you guys in the future. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for the new channel supporters. Everybody on IG, thank you for checking in. I appreciate it. Thank you for shooting over to YouTube. Thanks for the love and the support.